Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best lash clusters is probably one of the most sought-after beauty enhancements, and for good reason. They offer a customizable and convenient way to achieve fuller, more dramatic lashes. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of lash cluster bond and seal, exploring everything from application techniques to product recommendations, so you can achieve a flawless, long-lasting look. Number 5. Wendy Lash Bond and Seal. This is the Wendy Lash Bond and Seal, a 2-in-1 solution for your lashes. It combines bond and seal in one convenient tube, making application easy and space-saving. You can achieve beautiful lashes at home. The formula is imported from Korea and is alcohol-free, gluten-free, and sulfate-free. It's designed to be mild and non-irritating, ensuring a comfortable experience. The bond is also colorless and odorless. The brush head is made of simulated fiber bristles, allowing for even application. The brush head can be adjusted to fit the shape of your eye. This ensures a perfect fit for each individual lash. First, apply the bond under your natural lashes. Then, place a lash cluster. Finally, apply the seal to lock them in place. This process is simple and effective. To remove, saturate a cotton pad with remover and apply it to the lash band. After 30 seconds, gently wipe away the lashes. Use a cotton swab to remove any residue for future use. Please allow the product to thaw at room temperature for over 4 hours after receiving it. This ensures the best results when you use it. This will help the product perform at its best. What we like. This lash bond and seal offers a convenient 2-in-1 design, combining glue and sealant in one. It's also formulated with mild ingredients, making it gentle on your eyes. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that's easy to use and gentle on your eyes, this is a great choice. What people say. The strong hold it offers is simply unmatched. My lashes stayed in place beautifully for days without any lifting. One of the standout features of Wendy's lashes is their remarkable ease of application. They're so easy to use and stay in kinda well. Number 4. QUEWEL DIY Lash Extension Kit, S012 Kit. Introducing the QUEWEL DIY Eyelash Extension Kit. This kit includes everything you need for beautiful lashes at home, offering convenience and affordability. It's perfect for both home use and travel, saving you space and money. These lash clusters feature an upgraded band made from premium material. It's softer, stronger, and thinner for a more comfortable experience. They are easy to apply, reusable, and won't fall apart. The kit includes premium stainless steel tweezers for easy application. The bond and seal have excellent waterproof and long-lasting power. The glue remover is gentle and removes the glue without residue. With mixed lengths from 8 to 16 millimeters, you can create various looks in minutes. Whether it's a wispy, cat eye, natural, or dramatic look, this kit helps you achieve a professional salon effect at home, saving you time and money. QUEWEL is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll respond within 24 hours. Enjoy your DIY lash extensions. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for DIY lash extensions, including a special tweezer and glue remover. The upgraded lash band is softer and more comfortable. If you are a beginner or want to create a professional look at home, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The 320 lash clusters are beautifully designed, making it so easy to create a professional-looking lash set at home. The included bond and seal work like magic, holding the lashes securely without feeling heavy or irritating. They are easy to apply and stay on long. Number 3. GEMERRY Lash Bond and Seal. This innovative product combines lash bond and seal in one convenient tube. It features an adjustable spiral brush head for easy and even application, simplifying your lash routine and saving space. Designed for DIY lash extensions, this glue provides a strong hold, keeping your lashes in place for 48 to 72 hours. You can confidently wear them daily without worrying about them falling off. The upgraded spiral brush head ensures easy and even application of the bond and seal. Its thin design is perfect for beginners, allowing for precise and controlled application, similar to mascara. This lash bond and seal is gentle, alcohol-free, and cruelty-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It's designed for use with various lash types, including individual, cluster, and strip lashes. Please be cautious when using the glue, and avoid contact with your eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water or seek medical attention. We are committed to your satisfaction and are here to assist with any concerns. What we like. This lash bond and seal promises long-lasting hold, keeping your lashes in place for up to 72 hours. The spiral brush head makes application easy and even. If you're looking for long-lasting results and easy application, this product is ideal for you. What people say. The GEMERRY Lash Bond and Seal is a 2-in-1 lash adhesive system that makes applying DIY cluster lashes quick, secure, and mess-free. The bond side goes on like a mascara, offering strong, tacky hold without clumps, while the seal side locks everything in for all-day wear, and yes, it's truly waterproof and smudge-resistant. It dries clear, is non-irritating, and doesn't flake or feel heavy on the eyes. Number 2. FADLASH Lash Bond and Seal 10 ml. This is the perfect solution for DIY lash extensions. It provides a super strong hold, ensuring your lashes stay in place for up to 72 hours. It's easy to use and gives you a natural look. The bond and seal features a double-ended design. One end has a spiral brush for easy application of the bond, and the other end seals the lashes for a longer hold. This design makes the application process simple and effective. Get ready for a long-lasting hold with this lash glue. It's designed for individual, cluster, and strip lashes. The glue blends seamlessly with your natural lashes, giving you a flawless look. This waterproof bond and seal is perfect for any occasion. It ensures a comfortable wear without damaging your natural lashes. The sealant keeps your lash extensions secure and comfortable all day long. The upgraded spiral brush head makes application a breeze. It allows for even and easy application to each natural lash. The fine fluff on the brush ensures the glue is distributed evenly. In cold weather, the glue may become thick. Allow it to thaw at room temperature for at least 4 hours before use. If you have any questions, please contact us for assistance. What we like. With its double-ended design, this lash bond and seal offers both glue and sealant in one product. It promises a super strong hold, ensuring your lashes stay in place. If you want a reliable and comfortable lash extension experience, this is the one for you. What people say. It works really good and does not irritate any of my clients' eyes. Very easy to use. It dries quickly and the size of the tube was as expected. This bond is really good and lasts a long time. The thickness of the bond is in the middle, giving time to move the clusters if needed before the bond dries. The bond dried clear and looks great. Number 1. Ruairie DIY Lash Extension Kit. Introducing the Ruairie DIY Lash Extension Kit. This kit allows you to create beautiful, wispy lashes at home. It's a convenient and cost-effective alternative to salon visits. The kit includes 200 individual lash clusters in various lengths, from 8 mm to 16 mm. You can customize your look with different lengths. This ensures you get the perfect style. The kit comes with a 2-in-1 bond and seal lash glue. The black glue provides a strong hold, and the clear seal locks the clusters in place. This ensures your lashes last all day. These cluster eyelash extensions are made with 3D foam ink. They are soft, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. The thin cotton band fits your eyelids perfectly. With proper care, these decurl lash clusters can be used multiple times. They give you a voluminous, natural look. It's a great way to enhance your eyes. To apply, first, pinch your lashes if needed, then apply a thin layer of the bond. Next, apply the clusters and press lightly. It's easy and fast. What we like. This kit includes a generous 200 lash clusters, giving you plenty of options for your look. The 2-in-1 glue makes application simple and fast. If you like to have more lash clusters to DIY at home, this kit will be a great choice. What people say. Lashes were a natural look and very good quality. Last about 1 week and they were very light on my eyes, comfortable to sleep in as well, easy application. They are so soft they look like real lash extensions. They are also dark, they look full on. The applicator bond and seal are the easiest ones eBay used too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.